The dilution factor of sewage effluent for direct discharge into river water without any treatment must be. First option is greater than 150 but less than 300, and second option is greater than 300 but less than 500. Third option neither A or B. Fourth option both A and B. Here the term dilution factor is there. Sorry. Dilution factor. Dilution factor means it is the ratio of quantity of diluting water to quantity of sewage. Okay. If the dilution factor is greater than 500, no treatment is required. And if the dilution factor is in between 500 and 300, primary treatments are required. Like plain sedimentation and all. If the dilution factor is in between 300 and 150, sedimentation, screening, etc. required. And if the dilution factor is less than 150, complete treatment is required before disposal. Okay. Then here it is given that no treatment is required. Without any treatment we can discharge the water if it is greater than 150 but less than 300, and greater than 300 but less than 500. In both these cases we need primary treatment and sedimentation, screening and all, and our answer is option C, neither A or B. Okay.